Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to install HONOR PC Manager on this laptop. So first of all, try to check if you don't have the HONOR PC Manager pre-installed on your PC. To do this, open the Start menu and search for HONOR PC Manager and see if you can open it. As you can see, I cannot open it, though I can find it, because I used to have this application on my laptop. Now, you can also press F10 button to activate secondary functions of your laptop, and then press F10 and see if anything happens. And since nothing happens, that means that we have to install the application on the laptop. So go to the browser, open Google or any other search engine, and then search for HONOR PC Manager. Open the official HONOR website, scroll down, select laptop product type, product series will be X series, and device model is either X16 2022 or X16 2024. They are basically the same, so you can choose any that you like. Now click search, and right here you'll find the latest version of the PC Manager, which is for me 17.2062. Click to download, then wait until it's downloaded, and once it is downloaded, you'll be able to find it in the settings. So in the downloads folder, I'm sorry, not settings. So open this file in the downloads, then go to software, then go to this one file right here, and then run this one file, and the setup will begin after that. Click yes. Now let's wait until the setup starts. Okay, it just asked me to restart the computer and log in as administrator. Let's do this. If it asks you to, then do this. Restart your PC by selecting power options and restart. Then wait until the device is restarted. And once your PC is restarted, simply open the same setup file again and click install. And wait until it is installed on your PC. And once the application is downloaded, click Start. Agree to the manager notice. Then you can also agree to enhanced services, and you also have to connect to the HONOR ID after that. So if you want to, you can log into HONOR ID by scanning this QR code or using the password login instead. And basically that's it. From now on, you can start using your HONOR PC Manager application. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.